What's up, America? Before we begin, God bless you. I want to go ahead and start off with that. That was on my heart. Thank y'all for watching this video. But we're gonna get straight into it. First things first, before watching this video, if you can, download the Candlestick Bible right here. It's a packet or booklet or PDF, whatever, however you like it. It will literally help show. Improve, so you can read the different candlesticks that are presented in the charts. What are candlesticks? The different patterns that are presented, so we can help identify and read the market. So if you can, check out Candlestick Bible. If you can, try and get that PDF, try and get that book. I'm releasing my Discord out for you guys. It will be able to, it consists of just like trading motivation, trading signals. I will be sending out signals from time to time, going ahead and let y'all see me enter in the trade and go ahead and let y'all, capitalize and see the results. Got a losing tab, profit and payout tab. It's a community. 100 Bands is a community, and so we come together and we help each other, and we all trying to get to that same goal. So that's what the community is on. If y'all want to go ahead and check out the Discord, it's down below. Y'all go ahead and get up with the Discord, because we are making money in the Discord. We are learning and getting better every day in the Discord. And you never know. You can network and have a conversation, and somebody that you reach out and have a conversation with can bless you with the knowledge that you needed to help push you further in your trading journey. But with that being said, let's get to the video. Okay, what am I looking at? What is this? The apps that you need straight out the gate are TradingView, MetaTrader 5, or you can have MetaTrader 4. Personally, I use MetaTrader 4, but today I'm going to show you guys on MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5. What is MetaTrader 5? This is the platform to where you're trading on. Simple. You can enter in the different, we have, hopefully it loads. There you go. So on the left side, we have these different instruments that we're able to trade from. Once again, all of these USJPY, Euro USD, USD CHF, USD ZAR, AUD CAD, all of these are instruments, money being exchanged from one currency to another currency. Look at these. All of these, same thing. Money being exchanged from one currency to another currency. What does that mean? Great Britain pound versus Australian dollar. Money being exchanged. What else? US dollar to Japanese yen. Money being exchanged. So all of these instruments you can go ahead and trade from. Looking at the chart. What is this, Nolan? All of this right here that you see are candlesticks. Once again, the Candlestick Bible will go ahead and help you understand how to read this. It will literally tell you if this is reversible, that means it's a buy. Or if this is reversible, that means it's a sell, and the market's going to go down, or the market's going to go up. So you need to really pay attention and read that book, study that book. But these right here are candlesticks. All of these are candlesticks. The book will help you understand how to read them. Down below is the RSI. I'm going to get into the RSI later on in another video, but today we're going to focus on the actual candlesticks itself. Matter of fact, let me take the RSI out. Candlesticks. All of these is candlesticks. Now, what did I just do? I clicked the top left corner, day. So now this is one time frame. This is the daily time frame. It says at the top two as well, daily time frame. You can switch from the daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, meaning every candlestick is 4 hours. 1 hour time frame, meaning every candlestick is 1 hour. 30-minute time frame, meaning every candlestick, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. 15-minute time frame to where every candlestick is 15 minutes. 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. 5-minute candlestick to where every candlestick is, and you get the gist. And so every time frame is not going to be the same. If y'all can tell, the candlesticks look totally different. Every candlestick is showing you something different every time frame. Once again, the Candlestick Bible will help you identify time frame alignment. Also, there's a book out called Time Frame Alignment that will help you, come up with your setup and help you understand how to trade your way that you want to trade. Next thing, down at the bottom, we click trade. You have your balance, equity, and free margin. Your balance is the total amount you have in your capital account, your equity, and then your free margin room, your wiggle room. Down below is the history. So we have our history of, just all the trades that we place from Euro USD. And so we have the orders at the time it's been filled and the deals too as well. You can also customize and see your trade report from last week, a month, 3 months, and 6 months. Now, this is a demo account. I'm going to advise you guys when you're first starting off trading to trade in a demo account. Why a demo account, Nolan? Because one mistake that I made within the first year and a half, I was just throwing money in and losing all my money and realizing that, I was making some, I was losing more. But I realized I had to learn the candlesticks, read the candlesticks to be able to be comfortable to go live and to do it with my actual money. So feel comfortable enough in the demo first. Right here is just the settings. I'm going to go down and click on charts. You can switch from candlestick, a bar chart, line chart. Let's say line chart. Boom. It's also readable for certain cases. So but right now we learning candlesticks. And all of these, you can tell as the time going, you will be able to understand the period separated time from each time frame and each day separated, trade orders and all that. And so this is MetaTrader 5. This is MetaTrader 5. Now you might be wondering, how do I place a trade? That's a good question. Let's say we want to place a trade. Boom. Now, all we did was just went to the quotes, clicked on pair, and click trade. If we wanted to just click a trade from here, the little drop down will come down. But we're going to do it this way. You can switch from a buy limit, sell limit, market execution, sell stop, buy stop, all sorts of pairs, or all sorts, types of ways you want to enter in the market. We can have a point to where it has our take profit, to where we set a take profit at a number. We have a point to where we hit a stop loss at a number. What is that? That's basically, a stop loss is basically where a point to where we're willing to lose. Meaning if the market was to drop at a certain point and it drops there, then this automatically going to take it out. Same with take profit. If the market was to go ahead and hit a certain point and surpass it or touch it or do whatever, it's automatically going to close the trade. So you have the ability to go ahead and make that happen. Right here, it's measured off of pips, I'm going to drop another video too as well down the road on what are pips. Really do your homework. I can lead you to the water, but you have to drink on your own. So you got to read up on pips, and so right now you will enter in a pip, whether that's, $1, $2, $10, $5, like it's measured off of pips. Simple. Or like standard lot size, 1 cent, 2 cent, this is how you place a trade. Buy or sell. But pretty much, man, this is, TradingView. Not TradingView, MetaTrader 5. And you need MetaTrader 5 because this is how you were able to execute the trades and just this is where the magic happens, to be honest with you. It's where the magic happens. What did I just click on? Now, all I did was click on my accounts at the top. As y'all can see, it says the company OANDA Corporation. That is my broker. It's the U.S. brokerage. There are 1,000 brokerage out there in the world that you can go ahead and trade and feel comfortable. Now, OANDA best suits me, so it's like you have to find the one that best suits you. I prefer OANDA, and so what is a brokerage? Basically, their job is to really, just monitor my account. When my account starts to go ahead and really take a hit, they step in and really help save my account. If needed, they will close my trade if I'm in it and I'm on the verge of really creating a big drastic loss. So it's think of it they're here to help. And that's amazing. It's always nice to have somebody here to help, but they not going to literally trade for you. There's a difference. But man, this is MetaTrader 5, man. This is MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5. All right. This is TradingView. Simple. What you see is still candlesticks. We're just on the website, and so it has everything just like on MetaTrader 4, but it's way better. I really advise you to download the app TradingView. This is very important. You got the different candlesticks right here. It's going to tell you the reversibles, which way to go. You can mark up this chart. Simple. You can mark it up however you want. We switch to different time frames. We got different candlesticks, line chart. You can switch it to bars, volume candles. But me personally, I do candlesticks. And so we're reading the market. Simple. That's it. We're reading candlesticks. That's how we enter in the trade. That's how we get out the trade. That's how we capitalize and make money. You can go ahead and look up any Forex pair you want. Right now, this is Euro USD. Underneath the tab, Forex pairs. Bear with me. Is right in front of you. Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD CAD, USD HUF, Euro HUF. And so these are different types of pairs. Look at all the Euro pairs that you can trade from. You can trade SPX. You can trade gold, silver, Amazon. You type it in, I bet you will pop up. GBP, USD, GBP, JPY. That's just Great Britain. And so all of these are pairs. AUD, USD, AUD, JPY. All of these are pairs. Once again, we can trade from. Go ahead and capitalize on. So you find which pair best suits you, and you go ahead and trade. It goes from funds to Forex to futures to cryptos to indices to bonds and contracts. But right now, all we do is trade Forex. We're Forex traders. Boom. Straight out the gate. Really, throw yourself into TradingView. Get used to it. Understand what's going on. What is this? This is the brokerage. Remember I showed you OANDA? This is Forex.com. Me personally, I'm sticking with OANDA, but I started off with Forex.com. Forex.com is a brokerage to where you could go ahead and enter in, and make an account, create a live, and trade from. And it will help manage your money too as well. Depending on the size, it will help just like the margin level and the leverage. And so personally, I do like Forex.com. Forex.com is a good broker. But me, I like OANDA. OANDA is one of the top tiers too as well. Same thing. You can create a different demo count, live count, over 68 Forex pairs. You can trade crypto over on OANDA. OANDA also has an app to where you can trade specifically from the OANDA app if you don't like MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. OANDA has a phone number that you can go ahead and reach out and call to if you have any questions that you need to ask. Man, me personally, just OANDA is just it. But if you're watching this video, I will advise you to create a OANDA account or a Forex.com account and go ahead and get you situated with a broker so you can go ahead and start trading. On the platforms, look, we have the mobile. We also have the online, OANDA web, or MetaTrader 4. These are different platforms that OANDA use. You know, different instruments. It will click on different instruments, different Forex pairs. We got different cryptocurrency. All of these are tools that we can go ahead and capitalize on that OANDA provides for us traders. And so, man, this is OANDA, bro. It's really beautiful. They give different offers at times. And so, like, it's nothing really beating these two. It's really nothing beating these two. But if you can set up a U.S. regulated broker, OANDA, it has a different minimum size, Bitcoin size, different trade size. You can go ahead and make transactions through your credit card and get deposits through your credit card within days. So that's why I love it. Next, we're gonna go to Forex Factory. Forex Factory is important. If there's news, actually, I just lost a trade this week due to like Trump releasing news, and news is way more powerful than the technical analysis charts of what's shown. So this is Forex Factory. It will show you different pairs, what other traders have the idea of, the news that is being released at the time of day. Right here over where I'm at, I had my account made, but let's click on news. Boom, that's the news for the day that came out. You know, that affected the market. News affects the market, it affects your trading plan. You have to have a mindset on just what's going on. It tells you how to read high impact, medium impact, low impact. And so when you're on Forex Factory and you just see the news, you know, it's always helpful to go ahead and be aware, you know. And so if you just scroll down and just see, I'm going to click on why. And, you know, you might just be like, what is this? What is all of this? Let me explain to you. All of these is news that's going on within the world, within the United States, or within the states. It tells you on the left-hand side, you know, how impactful it is. Let's say we click on one. It says why traders care. It will tell you why a trader cares about this news and why it's important. It will help you in your trading plan. It will help you in why you trade. So it's like, pay attention to news. Pay attention. If you need to pull up Forex Factory while you're trading. Me personally, I do that. So it's like, it's there, man. It has also a chart for you to go ahead and read and react to, you know. It also has a community to where you can reach out to, you know, and post your ideas. All of these people are posting ideas and giving responses to the market. And you can see, it's going to tell you the average trade, lot sizes, the winning trades, losing trades. These are everybody else online. It also tells you the sessions. You know, I'm going to break that down in another video, but the session overlaps and what time of day is best to trade during a session, what session it is that will help you trade to know if your candlestick is actually moving. It has different quotes for the brokers. So all of these is brokers. You see, all of these is brokers. After I only showed you Forex and y'all see OANDA, but all of these is brokers. So you can use these brokers. It has the different instruments and the macro instruments. Forex Factory is it. You need Forex Factory. This is very important. But yeah, man, this is that. This is that. Look, click on brokers. You see it. Look, the top three, Forex and OANDA. I just broke it down to y'all. And Tasty FX. I don't have a Tasty FX account. But it has a list of different brokers you want to try out. And really, that's it, man. That's it. I appreciate y'all for spending time out y'all day to really learn and just, be with me as I go ahead and explain to y'all the platforms and things I use. Once again, today we talked about just MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. We talked about the platforms and broker TradingView. We talked about Forex.com. We talked about OANDA, the brokers and just news and how to read news. But also not just that, y'all seen a little glimpse of just what I do and what I do on a day-to-day, Man, that's it, man. I'm thankful for you guys. I'm thankful for the community. But these is the tools. Once again, please, please, please listen to what I'm saying. You have to go ahead and try and download or find the Candlestick Bible to help read the candlesticks, because I promise you, it's going to push you further. You're going to understand what you're reading. You're going to understand the different pairs. You're going to understand what's going on. And so, man, I'm grateful for you guys. Peace. I'm out.